Okay, so I'm attempting to put drawer pulls and door handles on our upgraded cabinets, and I bought one of these things and it kind of sort of worked. There wasn't a fit for those holes, this spacing, so this was only like $8. Maybe I'll use it in the future on some other cabinets, but not today. So I ended up doing a little math. I measured this thing in inches and millipedes and found that it's right at 18 inches wide, ish, 7, there's stuff in the way. It's close to 18, but not enough. But if you measure it in centipedes, it's 45 and a half on the nose. So instead of doing the goofy drawer thing, which wouldn't fit in here anyway, of course I didn't think about taking the face off, what I did was I used one of these things and I flipped it over so I could see the centipede side, and it should be, what did I say, 45 and a half was the width. I divided that by 2 and this ended up being like 10 millimeters. So I found the center. I set this to that dimension minus the 4 inches or 10 centimeters, and put this in place. Okay, now I did do a sanity check and flip it over this way. Pretty close, but I also determined if I just measure from one side, everything will be off in the same way. I've got this square and I've got plastic clamp so that it does not mar the face of the cabinet. That's a little cheapy Harbor Freight or dollar store clamp. It worked for a variety of things. It worked well on cloth and cardboard and paper. And all right, so that's in place. Now what I did was I've got one of these handy dandy bits, which is for hinges, and it allows you to center the drill bit. As you can see, I've already been using this one in the hole. That's what this outer sheath is for. It's beveled to meet the bevel of the hole, and you get this set up and it sits right in the hole. The bit itself, this bit by default is too large for what I'm doing, so I'm only breaking the skin. So I've got a mark and a slight hole. Yes, I'm working precariously. There we go. Switch to my driver bit. Now put in some screws. Look at that. Now, that's on there and I can move on to the next one. Last drawer's done. Line up that hole right there. This. Give it a little push, loud noise, and there we go. It looks pretty good, even with my obsessive type A type personality. If those are off, it would be hard to tell, and I'm bobbing and weaving and looking back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So I'm kind of happy with those. I'm more happy with the drawers than I am with the cabinets. But if I didn't tell you, you wouldn't know it, probably. I should stare at it for a couple hours like I'm going to do. There's the cabinets. There's the drawers. And they're secure. There they are. I hope that helps somebody. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.